Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the HL Show. I am your host, and happy Halloween. Well, it doesn't feel like Halloween because everyone's on their iPads and it's COVID, so what can we do? I think nobody's going to celebrate Halloween. Everyone's just going to get stuck at home and just do nothing. Well, it is what it is, so we'll just print and hope for the best. Alright, let's go. Due to the law, we're not allowed to celebrate or do trick-or-treating. So I thought of 3D printing a home decoration such as you can see here, it's so cute. This is the articulated hand designed by Flexi Factory. I will link it in the description below. You can get it from my mini factory. Give or take, this is such an amazing design. It's such a nice 3D printed model. It's articulated, all the joints move. This does not need any support. You don't need to put like a skirting for the base. If you do that, it's gonna take so much time to take it off. You will see it later on in the video. But honestly, came out really nice, really well. And here, that's the bone. Also, you have the Bulbasaur with a pumpkin on its back. As you can see here, it's a really cute design that you can decorate your home with. These are last minute prints, so if you have a 3D printer, go for it, print it, enjoy it, and oh, just a quick thing, this comes for free, so you don't have to pay anything. But this one, as mentioned, it's for £1, 15 pence. Dollars is $1.20. Yeah, that's about it. Before I let you all enjoy the rest of the video, I just want to say thank you all for subscribing, dropping your comments down below, also your likes for the videos. If you have anything to share, please do so in the comments down below, and I'll be happy to reply to you. Also, if you have any ideas, any thoughts what you want me to print next, I'm really happy to do so. Just you say it and I'll do it. Has to be appropriate though. Okay, yeah, so I will leave you with the magic of Halloween. Okay, moving on. Oh, that's crazy.